Hello. In this video we're going to show you how to fix a problem with the WWise installer that forces any application that wants to integrate with WWise to be run as admin in order to find the WWise application. The root problem, as it turns out, is a problem in the WWise installer in how it sets up the environment variables that allow other apps to find the WWise app. These got set up as user variables instead of system variables. So, and since the installer runs as admin, it sets up the variables for the admin user instead of setting them up as system variables that everyone can see. To fix this, after you have installed WWise, go over to your search window, type in system environment, and you can see there's an application for edit the system variables. We want to run that one. Now this application has to also run as admin, so we have to put in our password for the admin user. And here we have our system properties window. Down at the bottom there's a button for environment variables. Click on that. And notice we're seeing user variables for admin because this tool had to run as admin. Here's the two variables that are set, WWise root, WWise SDK. Notice they are set up as user variables for admin. They are not set up as system variables, which is what all users can see. So the fix is copy the settings from the user variables to the system variables. So just to make it easy, I'm going to double click on this. I'm going to copy that path for WWise root. Then under system variables, I'm going to say new, and this needs to be WWise root. And the path is the path I just copied, and click OK to save it. Then do the same thing for WWise SDK. I'm going to copy the path there, and then down in System Variables, New, WWise SDK. Copy in the path. OK. So now I have these two variables set up as system variables, and they have the same values as what the installer set up for the user variables for admin. I click OK, and I click OK on System, and now we're done. Now you may need to log out and log back in before you'll see those system variables, but the way that you can double check is, again, go down to the search window here, put in command, run the command prompt, and type set, and make sure that you're seeing these two variables in your environment variables. If you're not seeing them right after you do this change, log out and log back in, and you should see them. Thank you very much, and happy audio creations.